Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button. Also put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time in my next
conference by the leadership of the Labour Party, addressed by the National Secretary Alhaji Umar Farouk Ibrahim, today, Friday, 25th of August 2023. Gentlemen of the press, this conference is called purposely to clear the air on yet another attempt by some of our former members who have rebelled against the party and who have gone ahead to shamelessly misinform members of the public on the huge progress being made to position Labour Party as one of the biggest political parties in Nigeria. As you already know, the party surprised many Nigerians with huge success it achieved during the last general election. The party became a household name, all to the envy of the older political parties. You also know how the ruling party forced itself into power at the expense of the Labour Party and the general public who have voted our candidate massively. We are still in the tribunal challenging both the process and the outcome of the presidential election. In order to ensure a subjugation of the Labour Party, the ruling party has deployed all manner of strategies to stifle the party, part of which was to sponsor insurrection among some suspended former national officers, which is led by Lamidi Apapa and few others. Their assignment was to ensure that no progress is achieved in the party. The heavily funded dissidents have tried to mislead the court and some section of the media to harass the party leadership, but all have failed. Only recently, the Court of Appeal sitting in Benin City affirmed Barrister Julius Abure as the substantive national chairman of the Labour Party. Yesterday, the Court of Appeal, Owerri, which sat in Abuja, while giving judgment in the case brought before it by one Basil Maduka, one of the two aspirants that were deceived by the Apapa camp to participate in their illegal primaries, also ordered that the status quo remain with Senator Atan Ochunu as the validly nominated candidate of Labour Party for the 2023 Imo governorship election. It also noted that Basil Maduka has no locus to seek redress in the court as he is not known by the party. For emphasis, you may recall that Apapa Group had hoodwinked and arranged governorship primaries for two members of the Labour Party, namely Chief Okaigbo Ikechukwu and Samaduka, after which Okaigbo won the contest. Maduka was picked by the outcome of the fake primaries and had gone ahead to challenge the emergence of Okaibo. He sued both Okaibo and the Labidi Apapa. Meanwhile, the Labour Party appealed the Bayelsa court, ruling on the ground that it lacks the jurisdiction to entertain a suit filed by the Apapa camp without putting the leadership of the party, which is known to law, into notice. Senator Achunu, who was also not a party to the suit filed by Samaduka, but on hearing about the matter before the Federal High Court, sought to be joined as an interested party. However, the Court of Appeal re-emphasized the implication of lack of jurisdiction in motion for leave to appeal as an interested party and held that the motion was filed out of time, hence it lacks jurisdiction. It is a tried principle of law as held by the Supreme Court of Nigeria in plethora of cases that where a court lacks jurisdiction to entertain a matter, it has only one duty, which is to strike out and or dismiss the case. Any other thing said or done by it, no matter how beautifully conducted, is null and void ab initio, as you cannot put something on nothing and expect it to stand. This was restated by the Court of Appeal in their well-considered judgment yesterday. To our greatest surprise, Chief Okaibo Ikechukwu and his cohort flooded the social media with yet another propaganda and falsehood that Court of Appeal has declared him the candidate of Labour Party. In a matter, he was neither the plaintiff nor appellant. He also falsely and mischievously interpreted the judgment that Abure was no longer the national chairman of the party. Yesterday's judgment laid to rest all those mischief as it reaffirms the earlier judgment that Chief Basil Maduka is just a meddlesome interloper. The appeal court in Edo has since ruled that Abure is the authentic chairman of the Labour Party, and anything done under his leadership, including nominating candidate for election, is legal. It thus means that whoever that is not satisfied with the ruling of the appeal court is permitted under the law to approach Supreme Court to seek a review of the appeal court judgment. We took time to explain this trajectory because these men are out to ensure that Labour Party suffers immeasurably, and they will stop at nothing from achieving the mandate of their sponsors. In conclusion, we state categorically that Senator Achonu remains the Labour Party's governorship candidate in Imo State, as no court has stated otherwise, that the Independent National Electoral Commission has since published his name as the party's candidate. The Chief Okaibo Ikechukwu Joseph is not the candidate of the Labour Party, and that no court, either Federal High Court or Court of Appeal, ever declared him Labour Party candidate. As well, no court in Nigeria has accorded Lamidi Apapa the status of the national chairman of the Labour Party. Senator Achunu has received very wide endorsement by Imolites who are tired of high level of insecurity and maladministration in the state. Our national leader, His Excellency Peter Obi, the Abia State Governor, His Excellency Alex Otti, the Labour Party National Chairman, and his National Working Committee members were there to honor and declare Chief Ochunu as the substantive gubernatorial candidate of the Labour Party in Imo State.
Manipulate the court, all because of what they want to do or what they want to achieve. You can imagine the height of lack of integrity in them, which is a paradox to our core value as Africans. The value of integrity, honesty, dedication, loyalty. And these are the qualities that you must find in leaders who are going to govern you. Once these things are not there, then you can imagine the type of nation we are driving. And that is what Labour Party has come to change. I said it somewhere recently that Labour Party is self-purging. Those of us who are seated at the NWC, we are also being very careful to continue to portray the legacy, the core value, the principle, the ideology that surrounds Labour Party, which is social democracy. So please, members of the press, we will crave your indulgence, we will appeal to you not to pay attention to these guys. That is the crux of this. The more you pay attention to them, the more you are dragging the country backward. As you know, the growth and development of the country has been put in reverse gear for more than 8 years. And we are all suffering it now. There is the need for us to work together for Labour Party to emerge so that the social democracy, the welfare of Nigerian people, the consideration of development, economic development, growth and development, that is the basis for Labour Party, will now come to manifest. So we need to appeal to you, we are appealing to you, that you should stop giving these people attention. The more you give them attention, the more we continue to drive ourselves backward. Thank you very much.
Apapa was never the deputy national chairman of the Labour Party. So, even in the absence of the national chairman, Apapa has no authority to act as the national chairman of the Labour Party. The Labour Party's constitution provides for 3 deputy national chairmen. Apapa was only a deputy national chairman. And by the constitution of the Labour Party, it is only the National Working Committee of the party that can fill vacancies when they occur. And as to the restraining order, it was only an interim order, which cannot perpetually hang on the neck of any respondent. An interim order is supposed to last in the maximum of 14 days. Now, this interim order has been appealed against, and it is now a subject of appeal, 2 appeals before the Court of Appeal, Abuja. And when the matter has been appealed against, and it's before the Court of Appeal, it is the height of judicial rascality for anyone. It is impertinence and insubordination for anyone to say anything that will prejudge a matter that is before the Court of Appeal. And that is why no court has ever done anything or pronounced on it. No court has pronounced Apapa as acting national chairman. No organ of the party has pronounced Apapa as acting national chairman. Apapa is only illegally and unlawfully parading himself as acting national chairman. As no organ of the party. You see, you don't self-appoint in the political party. This is not a jungle. This is a democratic organization that is guided by the rule of law. You don't self-appoint. You don't say now I'm the acting national chairman. He does not have that right, and nobody has appointed him. The matter of the restraining order is only an interim order that is the subject of appeal. The leadership of the party is intact and has no space for a suspended former deputy national chairman. He was only a deputy, not the deputy. That is, he has been misleading the public as if he has a right, as if he's the deputy. The position of the party provides for 3 deputy national chairmen, and one of them is sitting with us, Dr. Ayolo Rufemi, the deputy national chairman of the Labour Party.
Ladies and gentlemen, good evening, brothers and sisters, my mummies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all. Ladies and gentlemen, good day, my brothers and sisters, my mommies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all. Ladies and gentlemen, good day, my brothers and sisters, my mommies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all. Ladies and gentlemen, good day, my brothers and sisters, my mommies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all.